So how has your day been, sir?
Day was as usual, nothing much.
Nothing much.
As usual, routine work.
Routine work. Okay. And you're still working from home, sir?
Yes, of course.
That is very nice. How is that you are still considered to be the lucky person when everybody has been called back to office, Sudhirji? How is that is happening? There is a secret, maybe.
No. There was no any secret, but we are going simultaneously working from home also and working from office also. In the entire month, we are choosing taking 15 days to go to office and start the work together.
Oh, rest of the days you're working from home.
Yes,
Right, right. And how far is your office from your house, sir?
at least 20 kilometers.
Huh?
Yes.
20. So you have your own
No,
conveyance. I mean, you have your
no,
own
no, no.
vehicle.
No. I am not referred to the uh, ride the vehicle because I love my life. So it's very risky if I go to run the 20 kilometer on daily basis, 20 plus 20, 40 kilometers. Then after I will definitely tired. But the company's good thing is company is providing us for a cab facility.
Wow.
So we are using them. We are using that, and that's enough for us.
So which means, if I've understood correctly, sir, the company offers you, or rather, company offers all the employees pick and drop facilities.
Yes, pick up and drop both the facilities.
So since the company offers pick and drop facilities, I avail that instead
Yes.
of driving myself for 20 plus 20, 40 kilometers. So there are two, three words which are very favorite of Sudhirji. After so many conversations, I have concluded. Can I share those words with you?
Yes, of course. There is no any harmful to and no is liking asking for me. You can directly tell me.
The first word, definitely, is
Definitely.
top favorite of Sudhirji's. One of the top favorite. Second favorite, hot favorite is obviously. And the third one is, of course. All the three words, they will come multiple times during the conversation. And it is so interesting, Sudhirji. Right. Very nice. You are a very sweet man. I always tell this. And let God take care of you always.
Thank you for your blessing.
And enjoy your life, sir. That's what. So, yesterday you didn't want to speak about the topic. Today also you don't want to speak about the topic, or you just want to have a conversation like
No.
this.
Whatever you want, you will ask me. If you want for the topic, so I will start from over there. And if you
I
want
will not want
anything,
anything. There is no want from the speaker side. There is always the want is from the learner side.
no. If the learner is giving the easy task, definitely he can't achieve their task because I think so. This is my perception. If I think so, the mentor who has assigned, he definitely know the weakness and the strength point to the learner. So he will more confident about that. If
He
I
will
am
be.
choosing, he
So
will be.
again, you wanted to say definitely, but this time you stopped yourself and you used something else, right? So you realize that now I have not used that word definitely now, and then I have said, okay, I'll tell you something today, Sudhiji. we never force learners. If you've seen that it is completely on the learner. So even if you put it back to on whoever is the speaker partner or the tutor is, you know what we are called here at Clapingo.
Uh,
We are we are known as speaker partners.
okay.
So if you tell somebody a tutor, so might not like it because they don't want to become a teacher. Like I don't want to become a teacher. I want to become more of your friend, because the idea is to have a very joyful and a pleasant conversation. And in the process, whoever is the speaker partners, the idea is that they'll give value based or feedback on the base of the conversation.
Okay.
But if, like you are speaking to me on a regular basis, so unless there are very significant improvements, there is no point in giving the same feedback again and again.
Okay.
That is my belief. Just for the sake of formality, every day I take 2 minutes out and tell you, this, you do. No point. If there is a really a remarkable achievement, I'll definitely tell you. If there is some major mistakes that you are doing, you must have seen that I don't correct everything and anything. I correct where you are significantly going wrong. Because if I stop you after every 3 or 4 seconds, then you will not be able to have a conversation with me. Do you realize that?
Yes, of course, I realize that.
I can give a demo on that also today. You will realize, you'll run away, literally.
No, I'm not that type of person. I can't run away without completing my task.
You don't understand. Running away doesn't mean that you will run away from Clapingo. What I'm trying to say,
Okay.
then you will feel uncomfortable after
Yes,
every
of
three
course.
or four
I
seconds.
definitely I agree with your point.
Yeah.
Definitely.
So what I do is that if there is, I allow you to complete, and then generally I speak in between. And now I am used to your conversation style, right? You're definitely, of course, obviously, all these things they will come, and then only I speak to you, and that is it's real fun. So, idea of all these topics that we talk about, or which is just to help the learners think and challenge themselves to speak more. So that's why, Sudhirji, we don't force anyone, but we recommend, of course.
Okay. So for today, you just recommend me, so we can start from.
So, but for that, have you gone through the topics? Sir?
Yes, of course.
Oh, wonderful. Of course. Yes, of course.
There is no any doubt.
There is no doubt, right? The topic is about natural disasters, right, sir? So, what is the worst disaster you have witnessed in your lifetime, Sudhirji? Heard or maybe have witnessed in your lifetime?
In my personal life, or it is for an entire country life,
No,
which
no,
I have seen.
in your lifetime, sir. I mean, I didn't understand that personal life. I mean, please help me understand this, sir. I need to understand this. I mean, I'm saying when in your lifetime, meaning in your lifetime only. Nobody else.
I think so. I didn't recall the any
I'm
means.
not able to recall, sir. I'm not able to recall.
I'm not able to recall anything
No
right
problem,
now.
sir. No problem, sir. Have you ever experienced or felt something like earthquake or something which you have
Yes,
experienced
of course.
yourself?
Yes, of course. Definitely. Yes, of course.
When was that?
I have faced the earthquake in 2000. 2000 or 2002. I didn't recall the exact time, but maybe it is 2000.
Sudhirji, correction.
I'm
I
not
did.
able to recall. I'm not able to recall the
I'm not able to recall. I'm not able to recall.
exact date,
Very good.
but it is approx 2000 or 2002.
Hmm.
E- Maybe 2000 or 2002, because the in our Gujarat, the 2002 means in year of 2000, 26 January. I have to, you just go and check the Google. It is 2000 or 2002. In 26 January, one earthquake in Kutch and Bhuj area, and Kutch and Bhuj will be destroyed. Was destroyed. That becomes that earthquake. It is 2000 or 2002.
2001, sir.
2001. Okay.
A series of powerful earthquakes registering 7.9 on the Richter scale struck Gujarat state in western India. So where were you, sir, at that point of time?
At that time, I am just placing 26 January. So that time we are all in the school.
We were or we are?
We were on the school.
On the school? You were at the top of the school?
We were in the school.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So, okay, at that, so which standard were you in? You were in which grade?
Uh, Maybe could be possibility in six or seven.
So you can say that I I was either in sixth or seventh grade.
Yes.
Simple way to answer. I was either in sixth or seventh grade.
6 or 7.
What will you say, sir? Can you please give me the complete sentence, please?
I was either sixth or seventh.
Sir, you are missing out something. Can you please repeat after me, sir? Sudhir ji,
Uh,
thank you, sir. I was either in sixth or seventh grade.
I was either in sixth or seventh.
One more time, sir, for me, especially for me.
Yes, sir. I was in either sixth or seventh.
Sir, order, the order is going here and there. Okay, so maybe you will watch the recording and then I was either in sixth or seventh grade. Okay, I was either in sixth or seventh.
I was either in sixth or seventh.
Yeah. Right, sir?
Yes, yes, of course, definitely.
Right. Thank you. So then, did you actually feel that? I mean, that intense feeling of that earthquake. Did did you
At
feel that?
that time we are kid and we are enjoying the activities which was played by on the stage. So some of the principal or a teacher, they just shouting, and everybody is just running away. So we I can't have any experience about that. If my surrounding, all the people, they are run away, then after I will also, then after I was
I also
also
start running away with them. That's what you're
I
saying.
was also, yes, start running away the way.
Sir, just tell me something, Sudhirji. I can't is nothing but I cannot.
Yes, of course.
Okay. Please mark the sentence which you said. I'm just trying to tell you, sir, so that you just think within yourself. Suppose I'm saying, can you do this for me, Sudhirji? If you answer positively, what will be your answer? Yes, I can.
Yes, of course, I can do it.
Yeah. And suppose if you cannot do it, then what will be your answer, sir?
I can't do it.
No, sorry, I cannot. Or
Sorry,
I
I
can't.
cannot. Sorry, I cannot.
But both the forms, whenever I asked you this question, mark my words, I'm repeating again. Can you do this for me? I'm using the modal verb can. And I am the structure that is following in this sentence actually is in simple present tense. Can you
Okay.
do this for me? Understood, na sir? Can you
Yes,
do
yes.
this for me? And from that question only, we are taking the answer. See, and just we are putting it in the negative form. If the answer is positive, we are just picking up from the question itself. Yes, I can. Very simple, sir. And if the answer is in the negative form, I'm just saying, no, sorry, I cannot or I can't.
Okay.
Again, a next question. If I ask you, can you have this ice cream for me? If you have to say in
Sorry,
negative form,
sorry, I can't have.